Hi, welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can test your CSS style sheets. So we've already created the file and linked it, but now we're actually going to go ahead and test it because we don't know if this is working or not. So obviously we don't know anything about CSS yet. We don't know about selectors or properties or how to do anything with them. But I just want you to keep this in mind so that when you know how to do them, it becomes very easy to test these style sheets. So for a style sheet to work, we need all of the properties that are in this file to appear on the page. So the easiest way we can test it is just by writing a random obvious property that's going to change the way the website looks. If it's not working, then we know that something's wrong with our link. So I'm going to go ahead and just create a property here. Now, you don't know how to do any of this. So don't worry about it. We're going to learn how to do all of this later. But what you want to do pretty much is just create a random property. You can go ahead and copy this on for now. I'm going to go ahead and refresh the page and you can see that this is bright red. Now if I go ahead and make the link wrong, so if I, for example, remove a letter, you can see that it's still white, which means that this isn't working. So this is pretty much the easiest way that you can test your style sheet if it's working. It's just writing some random obvious properties. Don't make them completely non-visible. You want to make sure that you can actually see the difference on the page. And then you want to go ahead and refresh it. And if it's working, you will know that the style sheet is linked properly. All right, let's move on.